you. Well, it's actually something for me, but I want to share it with you guys. I got my Ipsy Bag, and I'm doing an unboxing for you guys. Well, I guess I should say an unbagging, but that doesn't sound right. So, unboxing, whatever, a review of my Ipsy Bag. My sister already opened it. I haven't gotten a chance to look at it yet. This is what it looks like. This is a cute little bag. I actually like this though. And it says Ipsy right here on the bottom. And you know, I always come in this purple fuchsia packaging. And I like this color. I like orange anyway, and I like this bag. So let's see what we got. So we got the little post-it right here, and it says August 2018. And it says confidence level selfie with no filter. That's what it looks like. And it says ready to glow. Your glam bag, 5 personalized pics and tons of skincare tips on Ipsy.com are here to help you look and feel radiant all month long. It says food for thought. Did you know that turmeric, the orange spice used for cooking, has serious skincare powers? Its antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties help fight acne, protect from sun damage, and brighten. Check out the Ipsy app to get the scoop on turmeric, plus a bunch more surprising skincare secrets. I didn't know that about turmeric. That's very interesting. Just talking about Ipsy Shopper, that's just something that's on their app and on their website. That has nothing, I don't think it has anything to do with anything that's in my bag. So let's get to that. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out, it says, hey honey. I don't know if you can see that. Let it focus for a little bit. And then it says, take away the drama, youth boosting honey and copper peel off mask. Exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama for all skin types. Ooh, I like that. I'm definitely gonna try that. Peel off mask, and I love peel off masks, so we'll try that out. That's interesting. Then I got something from Hikari. It says cream pigment must be a shadow. See, it comes like this. It says Hikari Cosmetics, and it says fierce. Let's see this color, what it looks like. And maybe I'll swatch it. Ooh, I like this. I like this color. That is pretty. Let me swatch this. I'm about to swatch this. Ooh, I like it. Oh my gosh. Make sure you check out the next makeup tutorial, because I'm definitely going to be using this when you put it. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. That is pretty. Oh, I love that. I am definitely, oh my gosh. And it's very blendable too. I like that. That's by Hikari. It's a creamy pigment. It doesn't really feel creamy. It's more on the powdery side, but it's very blendable. So see what else is in here. We got Trust Fund Beauty. I love Trust Fund Beauty. I used to use this all the time when I used to work at Ulta. Lipgasm. This lip gloss, let's see. It's called Evil Genius. Let's open this up and swatch that. Ooh, and they know I like red colors. I'm just trying to say there's nothing good in here, just some good stuff. I like this stuff. Make sure y'all get y'all Ipsy Bag. Ooh, I hope it's true to cover. Let me see. Let me swatch this. It's a, I like the way the packaging is, but I say it's a gloss, so it's not very like pigmented. I mean, it's pigmented for a gloss, but that's what it looks like. I like the color it looks like. I like this. So I like that. That's by Trust Fund Beauty. It's called Evil Genius. And that was a pretty color. I like that. I'm definitely gonna be using that, especially this fall. Ooh, what is this? The next thing I got, ooh, is by Kat Von D. It's Lock-It Concealer Cream. Let's concealer. Let's open this and see what this looks like. Cause I'm a little dark. It's Kat Von D's Lock-It Concealer. I've been wanting to try this. I'm excited about that. Ooh, I like that. You know what? I think I can work with this color. It's not that dark. I mean, not that bright. I think I can work with that. I'm excited about that. Ooh, yes. I'm excited. And then the last thing I got was Ipsy, I love you so much right now. I mean, I have something to do my brows with, but this is awesome. Like, I feel like this Ipsy bag, they gave me all the essentials I need. You know, everything that you need. I got a lippy, I got a shadow, got a concealer, got a mask, and some brow stuff. And it's dark brown. Okay, so this is called $1 Billion Brows Mini Universal Brow Pencil. And it looks kind of light. Let me swatch it right here. It's pretty dark. It don't look dark though. So that was my Ipsy bag, and my things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's the 5 things in my Ipsy bag for today. And we're gonna close that up. And I really love these products. I'm definitely gonna be using them. And those of you who do not know what Ipsy bag is, Ipsy bag is a subscription bag, I should say, box. But it was created by a YouTuber. Let me see if I can pull her up. It's just, Ipsy bag was created, and it started with one YouTuber. It started with a YouTuber who played a big part in it, and I used to watch her and I loved her. Like, she was one of my first YouTube creators that I was watching. Her name was Michelle Phan, and she played a big part in starting the creator movement, and that's how Ipsy Glam Bag came to life. It is a subscription bag. It's $10, or I believe you can pay for the whole year and save a couple bucks. So I'd rather pay the $10 a month, and you just get different bags and 5 things in each bag. And it's an easy way for you to try out new stuff, as well as keep your makeup stocked if you're a newer YouTuber like me. So that's what I love to do, and I love trying new stuff. So there you go. That's your Ipsy bag. Well, my Ipsy bag for this August 2018. So if you like that, please like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you always stay beautiful. Bye, Queen.